Hello students, welcome to our channel Learning Notebook. In today's video, we will do chapter Money. So let's see what all topics we are going to cover in this chapter. First is how to read and write rupees and paise. Next, how to convert rupees to paise. Then, how to convert paise to rupees. After that, adding, subtracting, multiplying money with the help of word problems. And in the end, I will give you a worksheet for your practice. So let's start and first see how to read and write figures in rupees and paise. Amount of money can be written in two ways, in words as well as in figures. For example, 3 rupees and 50 paise. In figures, it is written as rupees 3.50. Students, dot separates the rupees from paise. Next example is 3 rupees and 5 paise. In figures, it is written as rupees 3.05. Most of the students make mistake in writing 50 paisa and 5 paisa. Make note that if paise is less than 10, then write a 0 after dot. Like if there is 6 paise, then in figures it will be written as 0.06. Now let's see how to convert rupees into paise and paise into rupees. Let's understand the same with help of few questions. Question 1 is convert 8 rupees into paise. Students, we are given amount in words. First write it in figures. So 8 rupees is rupees 8 in figures. Now to convert it into paise, multiply by 100. So rupees 8 equals to 8 into 100 and then write P at the end for paise. Therefore, rupees 8 equals to 800 paise. Question number 2 is convert 6 rupees and 80 paise into paise. Students, this amount is given in words. First write it in figures. So 6 rupees and 80 paise is rupees 6.80 in figures. Now to convert it into paise, remove rupee symbol and dot and then write P at the end for paise. So rupees 6.80 equals to 680 paise. Now let's convert paise into rupees. So the question is convert 350 paise into rupees. Students, to convert 350 paise into rupees, count 2 digits from right and put a dot there. Then write rupee symbol at the beginning for rupees. So 350 paise equals to rupees 3.50. Next question is convert 1500 paise into rupees. So students, we will do it in the same way as we did the previous question. To convert, count 2 digits from right and put a dot there. Then write rupee symbol at the beginning for rupees. So 1500 paise equals to rupees 15.00 or we can call it as rupees 15. Let's do one more example. Convert 10,000 paise into rupees. So students, to convert paise into rupees, we will count 2 digits from right and put a dot there and then put a rupee symbol at the beginning for rupees. So 10,000 paise equals to rupees 100.00 or we can write it as rupees 100. Now let's do some word problems on money. The price of some items in shop are given below. Amit wants to buy a packet of milk, a pack of bread and a bottle of jam. He has rupees 80. Find out the total amount Amit has to pay. If Amit gives rupees 80 to shopkeeper, then how much will he get in return? To find the total amount Amit has to pay, add the cost of one packet of milk, one pack of bread and a bottle of jam. So let's arrange the prices of these items in columns. Students, make sure to write rupees under rupees column and paise under paise column. So it means write such that dots should be below each other. Now add the paise first and then rupees. So 0 plus 5 plus 0 equals to 5. Next, 5 plus 7 plus 5 equals to 17. Regroup 17. 7 comes in the answer and 1 gets carried over. Now students, before adding rupees column, put a dot in the answer. Now 1 carry plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 equals to 10. Regroup 10. 0 comes in the answer and 1 gets carried over. 1 carry plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 equals to 7. So students, Amit has to pay 70 rupees and 75 paise to the shopkeeper. Now Amit gives rupees 80 to shopkeeper and we have to find the amount returned by the shopkeeper. So we will subtract 70.75 from 80. Let's arrange in rupees and paise column. And again students, dots should be below each other. Now subtract the paise first and then rupees. Let's first subtract 5 from 0. But 0 is weaker than 5. So 0 takes the help of its neighbor 8 because the other neighbors are 0 and cannot help. So students, 8 gives 1 of its power to 0. Therefore, 8 becomes 7 and 0 becomes 10. Now, 10 gives 1 of its power to 0. Therefore, 10 becomes 9 and 0 becomes 10. Now, this 10 gives 1 of its power to 0. Therefore, 10 becomes 9 and 0 becomes 10. Now students, we can subtract 5 from 10. So 10 minus 5 equals to 5. Next, 9 minus 7 equals to 2. Now before subtracting rupees column, put a dot in the answer. 9 minus 0 equals to 9 and 7 minus 7 equals to 0. Therefore, Amit gets rupees 9.25 in return from the shopkeeper. The last question is, the price of some fruits in a shop are given below. Rahul wants to buy 6 kg of mangoes and 7 oranges. Find out the total amount Rahul has to pay. First, let's find the cost of 6 kg mangoes. For this, let's multiply 65.50 with 6. Write them in columns. First multiply 6 with 0. 6 into 0 equals to 0. Next, 6 into 5 equals to 30. We group 30, 0 comes in the answer and 3 gets carried over. Now students, before multiplying 6 with 5, put a dot in the answer. Now 6 into 5 equals to 30 and 30 plus carry 3 equals to 33. Now regroup 33, write 3 in the answer and 3 gets carried over. Next, 6 into 6 equals to 36 and 36 plus carry 3 equals to 39. Therefore, cost of 6 kg mangoes is rupees 393. Now, let's find the cost of 7 oranges. For this, let's multiply 6.50 with 7. Write in columns. First multiply 7 with 0. 7 into 0 equals to 0. Next, 7 into 5 equals to 35. Regroup 35. 5 comes in the answer and 3 gets carried over. Now students, before multiplying 7 with 6, put a dot in the answer. Now 7 into 6 equals to 42 and 42 plus carry 3 equals to 45. Therefore, cost of 7 oranges is 45 rupees and 50 paise. Now we have found the cost of 6 kg mangoes and 7 oranges. Therefore, total cost will be rupees 393.00 plus rupees 45.50. So let's add them, arrange them in columns and write such that dots should be below each other. Now add the paise first and then rupees. 0 plus 0 equals to 0. Then 0 plus 5 equals to 5. Now students, before adding rupees column, put a dot in the answer. 3 plus 5 equals to 8. Next, 9 plus 4 equals to 13. Regroup 13, write 3 in the answer and 1 gets carried over. In the end, 1 carry plus 3 equals to 4. So students, answer is Rahul has to pay 438 rupees and 50 paise to shopkeeper. So students, in this video we learned how to read and write rupees and paise, how to convert rupees into paise and vice versa. We also solved few word problems involving adding, subtracting and multiplying money. In the end, I am giving you a worksheet for your practice. You will find answers to this worksheet in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Learning Notebook and make sure to press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.